Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Malewitsch puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of Malevich puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the frame. This puzzle has 11 parts and it comes assembled. So first thing that you have to do is to remove all the parts from the frame, mix them, and then you can try to solve it. Even though the puzzle comes with the solution, it will be still difficult to figure out the way how to put parts back inside if you didn't learn the solution prior to removing the parts, since the puzzle has 11 pieces and some of them are quite similar, and it will be difficult to find where each of the parts go in order to solve the puzzle. As you can see, I was able to fit how many? 10 pieces, but there is not enough space for the last one. So it will be quite a challenge to fit all 11 parts. The Malevich puzzle was inspired by famous artist Kazimir Malevich. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already have this puzzle and you tried to solve it but didn't succeed, and you want to know the solution, keep watching the video since I'm gonna show it to you now. So let's show you the solution. We will start with this tiny piece and put it in the bottom right corner. Then you grab this large piece, put it right here, and then this part goes right in here. Then you grab this long piece and put it into this spot. Then this light color piece goes here. Another piece like this one. It is very similar to this piece, but this one is a little bit smaller, so you have to grab the one that is a little bit bigger. Then you put one of the biggest parts right here. Then the biggest piece goes in here. Then these parts, they are exactly the same, so you can put them either like this or you can switch their places. They are still the same, and then the last piece goes in here and the puzzle is solved. And that is the solution of the Malevich puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.